first appearance on behalf of Mr. Matlala, at some point she intimated that she suffers from rheumatoid arthritis. That has put her in a position where she's so ill. I was engaging with her this morning. She can't use her hands or feet. She's with the doctor and they're consulting to see a way forward. But what she did guarantee me is that hopefully with the medication that she's receiving, by the afternoon she'll be in a proper position where she'll be able to continue with us working and appear tomorrow to argue. So my instructions right now, having considered the fact that we are constantly being hit with umthetho awuvumi, you cannot do this or that, and we have to try and navigate the systems where ordinarily a layperson not sitting in this commission would think, well, these individuals are incompetent, or maybe perhaps they're trying to not come before this commission in good faith. That is not the position. You have to be in it to truly understand what it takes for you to properly represent Mr. Matlala, because he is not an ordinary witness that you have access to at 12 a.m. rather in the morning, or at 3 a.m. in the morning. We don't have that liberty before us. And I do know with regards to the additional bundles that we receive later on, they make it even harder because he wants to read. He wants to know what's being said there so that he can give us proper instructions moving forward. He's not in a position where he feels comfortable that it would be smart and wise for him, given the status that he holds outside of the commission, to say to the commission, well, I did say let's go ahead, without considering the implications that it would have on him.